Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by getting permissions and the right hardware. Open Sound Amplifier and allow microphone and accessibility access so the app can process audio in real time. Use wired or high-quality Bluetooth headphones to reduce latency. This matters because delays make speech unintelligible. Once done, position your phone 1 to 3 feet from the person you want to hear and keep the microphone clear. These steps minimize noise and maximize gain, so the app can isolate and boost voices quickly. Now fine-tune processing to separate speech from background noise. You will enable speech enhancement and move the boost slider until voices are clearer without distortion. Then, turn on noise reduction to cut constant hums or fans. Adjust the equalizer to emphasize mid-range frequencies where speech lives. Make small changes and listen, because aggressive settings create artifacts. Once comfortable, test with a normal conversation and briefly toggle bypass so you can hear processed audio versus raw input and confirm improvement. Finish by saving a baseline configuration you can reuse for similar environments. You should adjust later when background noise changes or when speakers move. If you notice latency, drop Bluetooth and use wired headphones. If you hear clipping or distortion, reduce the boost or speech enhancement slightly. If the app stops processing or permissions seem broken, restart Sound Amplifier, re-grant microphone and accessibility access, or reboot your device. This single troubleshooting tip, switch to wired headphones, fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.